Ken Sakel with a video tutorial for Dabble Lab. Today we are going to create a skill in Voice Apps. Voice Apps is a third-party tool that you can create Alexa skills without any coding. Voice Apps is a free product, so you can sign in or sign up and create yourself a free account and follow along. We will log in and get started. Once you're logged into Voice Apps, you'll see that there are several sample projects at the bottom. We're not going to use any of these. What we're going to do is create one from scratch. So we'll select the Create New Project option and Custom Skill. We'll give our skill a name, Ken's Diner. We'll choose a category. There's a restaurant category in here, so I will select that one. By default, Voice Apps selects the 5 supported variations of English for you. That's fine. We'll also give our skill an icon. You can upload your own or choose one from the library that they have available. I'll choose one and give my skill a description of just Ken's Diner. Now I've created my skill, I can go into the skill. When we are in our skill, we can see that it has 3 separate intents: the welcome, the goodbye, and help. This is essentially a very simple template. What we'll want to do is publish this up to our Alexa Developer Console just to make sure that it works, and come back in our second tutorial and update it with additional content. So from here, I will just click on Publish. It takes a little while to publish up to our Developer Console, and once it's done, come back and take a look at it from there. I'm logged into the Alexa Developer Console. Here we can see that we have the Ken's Diner skill successfully published. What we'll want to do is go into our skill. Once we're in our skill, we can look at our builder checklist and see that the entire publishing process appears to have gone successfully. All of our green check marks for our 4 steps means we can head on over to our test tab. We can enable testing for our skill. If we notice over here, our Alexa simulator is set to English IN for Indian. What we'll do is just quickly switch this to the English version and we can test our skill. Open Ken's Diner.
Welcome to Ken's Diner.
Great. What we can see is that we have successfully created an Alexa skill using the Voice Apps software. We've created a very, very simple skill utilizing just the template that was provided. It has successfully been uploaded to our developer account. We will come back in video 2 and add content to our skill. We will use a couple of different options and highlight some features and functions in the Voice App software. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.